In this video I will show you how to replace key fob battery on Citroen C1, Peugeot 108 and Toyota Aygo in just 3 simple steps. So this is a Citroen C1 key. This is a Citroen C1 key. So you just have to remove that plastic cap with the badge on it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So for that you have to insert a flat blade screwdriver or a key blade into that small hole to remove the cap. So take the cap out. Now you will see the battery. The battery is a Panasonic CR 2016. You can find it in the video description. There, then you will remove the battery, insert the key blade behind the battery and take it out. Replace it with a new one. Then you just have to install the plastic cap back on. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.